Hey guys, hi there. I just thought of making a video for fine. The unboxing is already done right now. So this is how a Samsung top loading washing machine looks like. That's the drum. They call it as a diamond drum. These are the options that you have. Okay, I just turn it on. This is how it looks like when it is turned on. Okay, and these are the wash cycles, and these are the options that you have on the panel. I guess these wash, rinse and spin are the functions which makes it a fully automatic. This is a monsoon button, and then these are the cycles that you have. I guess the last one is to just clean the tub, and of course the delay would be for delaying your cycle. So now this is how it looks like. I've just connected it to the main, and then the other thing is that I have connected is this pipe, this hose. This definitely has this option, you just need to press it to the bottom and then connect it. So this is how you connect it. That's it. That's easy. This is something that you need to screw it up earlier to your top. And the other hose that you see there, that's for the draining purpose, which is connected here to the bottom along with the clamp. So this is the simple installation that you can do on your own, because the demo people, I don't think they're going to install your product. So this is what you have to do. So let me just turn on the tap. I've turned it on. Okay, I've just turned on the tap. So the water is already in the bin. Okay, see it, I'm not sure whether you can hear the sound of the water, but when you shake the drum you can feel it. Okay, let me just increase the water level. So as this is the first time, what I'll do is I'll just put a single carpet, a small carpet that I have. Let's just try and wash that. Okay, now is the time for the detergent. This is where you put your detergent. Let me just put a little bit of it. I think this is sufficient, or I guess this is more than required. Once again, let's do this. Do you see the water coming in the drum? There you see it. The cycle that is selected, that is normal. I could have gone for a quick wash as for the video, but I prefer it to be normal. The option that you see here, it's being washed right now, so the wash button is blinking. I guess that's it. We're good. This is how it works.